Today I'm going to show you how to add the Facebook lead ads trigger node in N8n step by step. This is a quick and useful setup if you want to capture new Facebook leads directly inside your automation workflow. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to find the node, how to add it, and how to connect the right credentials so you can start using it right away. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more N8n tips, automations, and beginner-friendly walkthroughs. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the workflow you want to work on inside N8n. You can start with an existing workflow or create a new one if you prefer. Once your workflow is open, look at the Nodes panel. This is where you'll find all the available nodes you can add to your automation. Now in the Nodes panel, search for Facebook lead ads. You should see the Facebook lead ads trigger node appear in the results. Click on it to add it to your workflow. This node is used to listen for new lead events coming from your Facebook lead forms, so it's the right choice when you want your workflow to respond automatically whenever a new lead is submitted. After you add the node, the next step is to choose the credential you want to use. This is important because N8n needs permission to connect to your Facebook account or business resources. Open the Credentials section in the node settings and select the correct Facebook lead ads credential from the list. If you already created one before, just pick it from the dropdown. If not, you'll need to create and save the credential first. Once the credential is selected, continue with the configuration required for your setup. Make sure everything matches the account, page, and lead form you want to use. This is the point where you confirm that the node is connected to the correct source so your workflow can receive lead data properly. And that's it. You've successfully added the Facebook lead ads trigger node in N8n, selected the credential, and configured it for your workflow. From here, you can continue building the rest of your automation around the lead data. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the content and lets you stay updated with more simple N8n tutorials just like this one.